Oh, hi. Oh,
what are you doing?
You know, just fixing things that I broke.
Probably not supposed to happen. So Kyle's back in the shop with me. Back there.
Hello.
What'd you do to your car, Kyle?
You know, just a little bit of off-roading and breaking of things.
So basically the strut top came off of this thing and just ripped right out. They're rubber mounted, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, the rubber part just tore out of there. But also, he's got a lift kit for this thing. We're gonna stick that in today as well. It's just, what is it, spacers that go on?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna do that. Lift this thing up a little bit. Make it not so death trappy. Or maybe
A little more safe.
Maybe more death trappy, I don't know.
Questionably.
Tall Subarus. Yeah.
We'll see who survives the longest in the end of this.
Oh, and I got spring compressors. Didn't have those last time I was doing suspension stuff.
This is safe.
Safer.
Extra safe.
Yeah. Especially with lifted springs.
Yes. You want to protect your balls?
Should stand directly in front of the thing.
Oh.
Well, that was uneventful.
That was anticlimactic.
I guess that's what compressors are for.
I was hoping for more fun than that.
So that's just a new top, right? That's not part of the lift?
Yeah, this is just a new strip top. Which one hopes to fuck is the same.
Show the people your lift blocks. So we just made these out of some composite stuff. He's got inserts that go in one hole to pick up the original strut top bolts, correct?
Yes.
Oh no, the inserts are for the top.
Yeah.
So the original strut tops bolt through this, and then the bolts up here go through that and then into the inserts, and that just lifts the spring up, or the whole shock assembly up.
Lifts the car up off the strut.
Lifting the car.
In all of its glory. High-tech wheel alignment.
All the way in. All the negative.
Nailed it. These are the trailing arm spacers.
I can't see in there. That black block there. Oops, stepping on the light.
As per the normal.
So there's two.
Yeah, because there's a step to it. So I can make it out of one piece. As much as I wish I could have.
So are your original bolts long enough for that?
No, I had spares from. Another car. My head is not that big, Carl.
So we're now plasma cutting a hole in the frame for why?
For removal of nut that is separated from frame.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you know how you're saying this mask doesn't darken, it's dark?
It does that sometimes. That might be the light here.
Yeah.
Do you want me to move the light?
No.
Is it turned off?
It is off now.
Okay. You don't have air.
I plugged it in. Oh, the lifty safety. Hey, that didn't come off. Carl, thank you. I'm not helping. Oh, there it is. Ooh. That one's way gone. Hey! Oh. Ooh. Exciting. That was only part of the adventure here. At Crazy Kyle's theme park.
You're not gonna be able to get those out without taking the top off.
Watch me.
Oh god.
I said watch me. You doubted me. Oh, this one might be a little bit more troublesome. There's a spring right there.
It's like blasted through the spring seat.
Yeah, it's only rubber. It's not important.
Is there not steel there?
No, there's a notch cut out of it. This is not a punch, folks.
No, that's not. For obvious reasons.
Yeah, doesn't work very well.
I do have a set of punches.
Probably. But I'm stubborn. It was also very easily removed.
So you don't think twisting the shock top like that is going to mess with the alignment at all? Like I know it's only moving a little bit, but you're right. You are technically turning the shock top.
It's such a minor amount, I think it'll be fine.
See.
You got the Owen Wilson meow.